May nangyayari sa HOR kasi. May hawak ako. Ina-advertise ko talaga.
Sa House of Representatives po, mga kapatid.
May nagaganap po dyan. Mga bandang alas 6 yan. Although mga alas 10 lang yun. Kaya na po nangyari yan. Ang alam ko ay parang may away about Batangas pero napunta bigla dyan sa ano. Umalma po ang ilang mga kongresista sa naging isang pahayag po. So tingnan po natin kung ano yung nangyari at kayo na po yung humusga.
Representative Leviste, and I was asking him about his claim, the general claim, that everybody in this hall has engaged in vote buying. So I was telling him, can you please withdraw that particular portion because we find it offensive. For the record, this representation does not engage in any vote buying in any elections, including the last elections of 2025. And I remember Representative Leviste saying that he is willing to withdraw that particular portion. So may we ask Representative Leviste if in fact that is the case, that he has withdrawn, that he is withdrawing that portion because it has no basis, it has no evidence, it's purely speculative, it's offensive, it's unfair to everybody here in this hall. Can we have the answer, please? Because that is a parliamentary
the majority leader
inquiry.
Yes.
to respond.
Mr. Speaker, while we appreciate the sentiments of the Honorable Laila de Lima, I believe part of what she was espousing with regards to the contents of the speech was already part of the motion that be stricken off. Was already part of the motion in which parts of the speech be stricken off in which there was no basis, fact, or evidence.
I understand, Mr. Speaker and Mr. Majority Leader, but we would want it from the mouth himself of Representative Leviste about that withdrawal.
Majority leader.
Mr.
It's not
Speaker,
just striking out, it's in fact withdrawal on his part.
that being the
Pwede po ba?
case, Mr. Speaker, I move to recognize the Honorable Levise.
Thank you,
The
Mr.
Honorable
Speaker.
Levisa is now recognized.
First, I would like to clarify that I meant that there are some, but not all. And there are many members of Congress who do not violate election laws. So please do not consider that I said that all. And I definitely withdraw that there are...
Mr. Speaker, the request of this representation is with respect to the withdrawal. No need for any explanation. Is he withdrawing?
Yes, but
That
I think also
portion of his speech.
for the benefit of the
Majority
people who are
Leader.
listening,
Mr. Speaker,
Okay, so yun po yung parte nung pagtatalo kanina. It's about about a statement on vote buying in the recent election. So kaya sila nagtatalo-talo. Pero before that, ang pinakamainit na usapin ay yung pong pagtatalo ng dalawang pwede sabihin na kabataan na mga kongresista pa na si Ginoong Reviste at saka yung anak po ni ES. Recto. So sila ay nagkaroon ng mainitang pagtatalo doon sa plenary kanina. Yung anak po ni Vilma Santos na kongresista at saka po si Leviste, no? Alam naman natin nagkakagit-kita na yung dalawang pamilya ilang araw na nakakaraan.
Nasa social media nga
Yes.
'di ba? Ultimo yung mga photos na nangyari pa noon na uungkat at pinagpo-post kahit yung oath taking ni Leviste as congressman, nag-oath siya sa harapan ni E.S. Ralph Recto when he was still finance secretary. Lumabas.
Yes.
Walang caption. Oo. Pero alam mo, sa lahat ng mga accusations ni Congressman Leviste, ang sagot lang kahapon ni E.S. Ralph Recto, he's a liar. Pero kanina, ang haba ng statement ni E.S. Recto. Pero baka kulangin yung oras natin pag binasa natin yung sobrang haba. But ang buod lamang nun, he's denying all the allegations of Congressman Leviste.
Okay, so we're just updating you sa nangyari po, well actually tapos na, no? Pero nangyari po earlier sa House of Representatives. So dalawang pagsabog ng mga damdamin ang nangyari kanina doon.